Patches is being very vocal at the birds. Every time one of them comes and lands or up there, she's like meow, meow, meow. All in vibrato, meow. There she goes, see? You speak, Patches? You talking to the birds? She hears the birds talking. Maybe they're talking to you, Patches? Hear all the birds? Sounds vibrato meow, like meow. Patches. Got Simba right next to me. What's up, Simba? Here's my little booty boo. Where's your face? Meow. Speaks I love you. There's your sister Joey. And the mama on the right. Patches sitting up on the left. Patches is being very vocal this morning. Although now she's quiet. What's up, Patches? Oh, Simba, what's up, buddy? I love you. You're a good boy, you know that. Boy, boo, Simba. He's a good boy, I love you.